My question is that in Pakistan, a major portion of taxes is used to pay off interest-based loans that our government takes. So, like when we buy something, we have to pay sales tax and value-added tax. So, some of which gets used to pay loans. So, I'm confused that like when I buy something that I like, but it's not a necessity to buy it. Like if I want to eat a chocolate, and
I can't understand your question, Maham. Are you asking about the ruling on buying things where they are forced to take taxes on what we buy, like valued VAT?
Yes, but the taxes, like a major portion of the taxes is used to pay off interest-based loans, like which our government takes. So I'm asking that, like, if I buy something that is not a necessity, like which I want to buy it, so is it sinful for?
No, it's not sinful. It is not sinful for you to buy whatever you want to buy. The sin is on the government that unlawfully takes from the people what they had earned from their own sweat and work without any justification in Islam. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, dima'ukum wa amwalukum wa a'radukum haramun alaykum. It is haram upon one another to take from your wealth, from your honor by slandering or the likes, or by bloodshed, by attacking you or killing you, as the prohibition of this holy lands in this holy month, as the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam. So the sin is on them. We have nothing that we can do other than to pay, and we will take our rights from them on the Day of Judgment, bi'idhnillah.